Hello YouTube family, Namaste. This is gonna be my first YouTube video. Today we are going to learn how to make a bow. But I will show different ways how it can be used. So let's jump to the tutorial. For materials, we will need a bit of yarn, scissors, 3.5 mm hook and a darning needle. Here I am combining two skeins of yarn to make it chunkier. Now follow me as I go. Wrap it around your hand like I do. Then make a slip knot. I know I am doing a bit different. You can make it as you like. Now we will chain 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, and 25. Now we will start row 1 by doing 1 single crochet, then 2 half double crochet by insert your hook. Insert your hook, pull it. Now pull through all 3 loops. It will give you half double crochet. One more. Yarn over, insert hook, pull the yarn, pull by 3 loops. Now we will do 2 double crochet. Yarn over, insert your hook, pull it. Now pull only by 2 loops, 1 and 2. Now again pull yarn by 2 loops. One more double crochet, pull by 2 loops, 1, 2, then again, Now 2 treble crochet. So for a treble crochet, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook in the main chain and pull through 2 loops at a time. First time, second time, and the third time. So this is called a treble crochet because we will pull through 3 times. Again, 1, 2, insert your hook, pull through 2 loops at once. I'm struggling. 1, 2, and 3. Now we will do 2 double crochets. We have already learned how to yarn over 1 time, insert your hook and pull through 2 loops at once. We will do the 2 times. Now half double crochets, that also 2 times, 1 and 2. Now we will do 2 slip stitch. Insert your hook, pull it. See again. Insert your hook, pull it again. We don't have to take the yarn one more time through hook. It's called a slip stitch. Now we will do 2 half double crochets. We are going back in the row. See, 2 half double crochets. After that, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Now 2 treble crochets, 1, yarn over 2 times, insert your hook, pull it through 2 loops at once. Now 2 double crochets, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Now 2 half double crochets, then see here, it's looking like a mustache. I tried it even on my face. It was looking cute. In the last chain, we have to do 3 single crochet in the same loop. First single crochet, second single crochet. While doing the third single crochet, we have to keep that knot in between the second and third single crochet. Like this, keeping in between the knot, do the third single crochet. Now, take that extra piece of yarn in your front to hide it. And see, we have to insert our hook in that small gap like I have done. Bring your piece of yarn front and insert your hook inside. Now just follow the steps as mentioned above. You can pause here to finish your work. We will meet after the completion of this row. So we are here at last single crochet, then a slip stitch. First part is done here. You have to leave a very long tail. You can see here I wrapped it around my bow for 5 times. Cut it here. Keep it aside by pulling it through. Cut the excess part of the yarn. Now we are going to make the second part. You can follow the steps written above. First, chain 15. Then start with 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 treble crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet and a slip stitch. Repeat the steps. 1 single crochet, in the last chain we have to do 2 single crochet at once, hiding the knot and taking the yarn forward. Turn your work and start repeating the steps. 1 half double, 1 double, yeah. While we are doing this, I want to make you notice that this video is available in different languages. You can just change the audio track above from the new YouTube feature. While completing this piece, we don't have to leave a long tail, just weave in the ends and cut the excess yarn. Hard worker here me showing how my hands get sweaty when I work. To weave in the ends, we would need a darning needle. Insert your yarn in the needle and follow as I do. Here we have both the pieces ready. Now we have to fold the first piece. So follow me as I do. Insert your needle as I am doing. We have to close the ends in between. Take the ends in between. Secure the piece by inserting the needle 2-3 times so that it remains strong. Do same with the other end too. Now this here, we made a part of bow which can be used as it is. Like this, I have made a bow tie for Chopper. So handsome, so charming, so demure. We will continue to make our bow, so take the small piece, attach it like I am doing, and wrap the yarn as you like, how many times as you like. It should be even, no bumps should be seen. Now take your darning needle, insert the yarn and tie 2-3 knots so that it doesn't open up. Here one piece of bow is ready. Now to make like this handle, you have to follow me as I do. Remove the darning needle, take your hook, insert it in the piece and take a loop and do chains. To make the chains longer, you need more yarn. So if you want to make this, you need more yarn. I don't want to make this because I already have one. I will show you another method now. You can attach this handle to the piece if you want to keep it. Now for another method, we will need some wire. Cut a small piece of the wire, fold it in half and follow me. This wire I am using to insert the beads inside the yarn. You can insert as many beads as you like. I have inserted the length I wanted. I have inserted total 11 beads, an odd number, so that I can use it properly. I will show you how I have used it. Now secure the thread by weaving in the ends using a darning needle. Cut the excess yarn and here it is your bow tie ready. I have used this beaded bow tie for my phone cover. You can see a phone charm, a Bagcharm and the simple one as a hair accessory. So here our video ends but not our journey. I hope you liked the video. If you have a topic in mind that you had like me to cover in my next video, please leave it in the comment section. I had loved to hear your ideas. Bye bye, meet you in the next video.